Welcome to Finergy, the place where we empower you to take control of your financial future. Today, we're diving deep into something that will change the way you think about money and how you can build long-term wealth in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been managing their finances for a while, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a complete, step-by-step financial plan that you can follow to start building wealth this year. It's not about quick fixes, it's about consistent, sustainable financial habits that will pay off over time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what actions to take, how to stay on track, and the mindset needed to succeed in your financial journey. Are you ready to transform your finances? Let's get started. 1. Setting financial goals. Before we can start making any progress with your finances, it's essential to set clear, achievable goals. Your goals will act as a roadmap and guide every financial decision you make. But how do you set the right goals? Be specific. General goals like, I want to save money, aren't enough. You need to get specific. For example, I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund by December 2025. Make them measurable. How will you track progress? Make sure your goals are measurable. For instance, if you want to pay off credit card debt, set a target amount to pay every month. Set a timeline. Your goals should have deadlines. Deadlines create urgency and help keep you motivated. Achievable but challenging. Your goals should stretch you, but they should also be realistic. If you set unattainably high goals, you might get discouraged. Remember, financial goals are your first step in making better decisions with your money, so take some time and think carefully about your personal goals. Once you have them written down, you're ready to move on. 2. Budgeting. The foundation of financial success. Now that you've got your financial goals set, it's time to talk about budgeting. Budgeting is one of the most important tools you have in your financial toolkit. A good budget helps you allocate your money properly, avoid overspending, and save more for your future. Here's how you can create a simple and effective budget. Track your income. Start by writing down how much money you bring in each month. This includes your salary, side gigs, and any other sources of income. List your expenses. Write down all your monthly expenses. These can include rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, entertainment, and more. Don't forget the small expenses. They add up over time. Set categories. Break your expenses into categories. For example, essentials like rent, discretionary spending like eating out, and savings/investments. Make sure to prioritize your savings. Use the 50/30/20 rule. A simple budgeting method is the 50/30/20 rule. This means 50% of your income goes to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and investments. Track and adjust. It's important to track your spending throughout the month and adjust if necessary. If you find that you're overspending in one category, make adjustments to stay on track. 3. Emergency fund. Your financial safety net. One of the most important steps in any financial plan is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund ensures that you won't be financially stressed when the unexpected happens. Here's how you can build your emergency fund. Start small. Don't worry about saving $10,000 right away. Start with a small target like $1,000. This is enough to cover minor emergencies, like car repairs or medical bills. Set a savings goal. Ideally, you should aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. But don't feel pressured to do it overnight. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund savings account. This way, you're consistently putting money aside. Keep it separate. It's essential that you keep your emergency fund in a separate account that's not tied to your regular spending money. This makes it easier to avoid dipping into it for non-emergencies. 4. Investing for the future. Once you've set up your budget and emergency fund, it's time to think about the future, specifically investing. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over time. Here's a basic guide to get started with investing. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. Even if you can only invest a small amount at first, the key is to start as soon as possible. Choose your investment account. There are different types of accounts you can use to invest, such as individual brokerage accounts, IRAs, and 401ks. Each has its own advantages depending on your financial goals and tax situation. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one investment. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This reduces risk and increases your chances of positive returns. Risk tolerance. Understand your risk tolerance before making investments. High-risk investments like stocks can offer high rewards, but they come with the potential for losses. On the other hand, safer investments like bonds provide more stable but smaller returns. Long-term focus. Investing is not about getting rich overnight. Stay focused on the long term and avoid the temptation to make emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 5. Managing debt. Debt is a significant barrier to financial freedom, but don't worry. You can take control of it. Here are a few steps to help you manage and pay off your debt. List all your debts. The first step is to know exactly what you owe. Write down each debt along with the interest rate and minimum payment. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debt like credit cards first. This will help you save money on interest in the long run. Debt snowball versus debt avalanche. Two popular methods for paying off debt are the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first, and the debt avalanche method, focusing on the highest interest rate. Choose the one that works best for you. Avoid new debt. As you pay off your current debt, avoid taking on new debt. Practice using cash or debit instead of credit. 6. Building multiple income streams. In addition to budgeting and saving, another way to grow your wealth is by building multiple income streams. Here's how you can start. Side hustles. Look for opportunities to make money outside your regular job, such as freelance work, tutoring, or selling products online. Invest in assets that generate income. Real estate, dividend-paying stocks, and other investments can generate passive income, meaning you make money without actively working for it. Skill building. Invest in yourself by learning new skills that can increase your earning potential, such as digital marketing, coding, or design. Remember, it's all about consistency and making smart financial decisions every day. The key is to stay focused, be patient, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content that will help you take control of your finances and build lasting wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.